This is Mount Gilboa, the mountain where a king fell. Here, King Saul, Israel's first king, was wounded in battle against the Philistines. Fear surrounded him. His armies was collapsing. His sons, including Jonathan, lay dead. On that heartbreaking moment, Saul fell on his own sword, and the mountain witnessed it all. And when David heard the news, he didn't celebrate, he wept, he mourned, and in his grief he cried out over this very mountain, "O mountain of Gilboa, let there be no dew or rain upon you." A sorrowful declaration, a lament from a broken heart. Today, many notice something striking. While the hills around Gilboa are green with trees and plantations, parts of this mountain remain dry and bare. No flourishing forest, no thriving plantations. Is it history echoing through the land? Is it a reminder carved into the earth itself? Stand here and understand something deeply. The Bible is not a myth. These are real mountains, real battles, real tears, real kings. Biblical stories are true. They happened, and the land still remains. In 2 Samuel chapter 1:21, "All mountains of Gilboa, let there be no dew, neither let there be rain upon you, no fields of offering." Turn on your notification button for more videos. Subscribe, like, comment, and share.